Learn about birds. Narrated by Marcio Catalano. Written by Pam Holden. Do you know a bird that can talk? It has bright feathers. It is called a parrot. Do you know a bird that has a beautiful tail? Its tail is like a big fan. It is called a peacock. Do you know the biggest bird in the world? It can't fly, but it runs fast. It is called an ostrich. Do you know a bird that dives for fish? It can get a lot of fish. It is called a pelican. Do you know a bird that comes out at night? An owl sleeps all day. It flies at night. Do you know a bird that can sleep on the sea? It has the biggest wings. Its name is the albatross. Do you know the smallest bird in the world? It can fly very fast. Its name is the hummingbird. Do you know a bird that can't fly, but it can swim? It is called the penguin. Glossary. Albatross. Sleeps on the water. Hummingbird. Can fly backwards. Ostrich. Fastest runner. Owl. Flies at night. Parrot. Bright bird that talks. Peacock. Beautiful big tail. Pelican. Catches fish. Penguin. Swims fast but can't fly.